Hi girls! Today we're going to unpack another Barbie. So let's get started. Cute Barbie Fashionista. Hello darling. With mint eyes. Oh, come on darling. She's got beautiful mint eyes, hair bun, silver earrings, light purple dress with red lips. There is a velcro on the back, and she's got tennis shoes. Hello Barbie, I'm here. Oh hello darling, you look so amazing. Have a seat. That's so nice of you Barbie, thank you. Don't worry little doggy. This is our new family member. Be nice, Joy. That's a cute little doggy. I'm serving melon chocolate. Hope you like it. So let's get started. Bye guys, and see you perhaps in the next video. Have a beautiful day.